New era of artificial intelligence in education towards a sustainable, multifaceted revolution. Abstract. The recent high performance of ChatGPT on several standardized academic tests has thrust the topic of artificial intelligence (AI) into the mainstream conversation about the future of education. As deep learning is poised to shift the teaching paradigm, it is essential to have a clear understanding of its effects on the current education system to ensure sustainable development and deployment of AI-driven technologies at schools and universities. This research aims to investigate the potential impact of AI on education through review and analysis of the existing literature across three major axes: applications, advantages, and challenges. Our review focuses on the use of artificial intelligence in collaborative teacher-student learning, intelligent tutoring systems, automated assessment, and personalized learning. We also report on the potential negative aspects, ethical issues, and possible future routes for AI implementation in education. Ultimately, we find that the only way forward is to embrace the new technology while implementing guardrails to prevent its abuse. 1. Introduction. Artificial intelligence (AI) has quickly established itself as a transformative force in a wide range of industries, including education. The development of AI has resulted in an array of advancements and innovations that have impacted many facets of human life. As a fundamental component to societal evolution and individual development, education has had significant benefits from AI breakthroughs. The integration of AI in educational systems is altering the ways in which students learn, teachers educate, and institutions function. By personalizing learning experiences, automating administrative responsibilities, and delivering real-time feedback, AI is revolutionizing the educational landscape, bridging gaps, and encouraging a more inclusive and effective learning environment. Given the importance of integrating AI in education, there is a need to reflect on its implications. Our goal is to study the potential impact of AI on education based on the review of the current literature. We focus on three major themes: applications, advantages, and challenges. The review procedure consists of searching the Scopus database using the relevant keywords. The results are filtered, sorted, and analyzed to extract the pertinent information. We identify several subfields within each theme that are used to categorize the literature and structure the problem in a more coherent fashion. The results are presented in several sections according to the major themes and subthemes. We find that the best way forward is to embrace the new technology while implementing guardrails to prevent its abuse.